In this video, friends, I will show you step by step how to book Malaysia ticket airline. So guys, go to Malaysia Airline. This is the first step you need to do. On your browse, click the first result. After that, look for this option, guys. Look for this option, book flights. From the book flights, guys, click on research from. Choose this any place, for example, from Houston, United. The first one, choose the countries here, and then, for example, this one, Houston. To choose your depart or your destination here, for example, India. Choose this one, and then you have to choose select a date, for example, 10 September to 1 October 2025, and then choose the passenger. For example, you have 2 adults and 2 children, and then click find me flight now. Click this one, and then click if you have a promo code, so you can enter this one. From here, guys, you will be redirected to your page, this page to pay booking. So guys, this is how you can do. It is easy steps. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget, give like and give share this video for more content. So guys, see you soon.